Good evening, dear students. Today's class is regarding frozen deserts. Okay, we will discuss what is a frozen desert. A frozen desert is a generic name for deserts made by freezing liquids, semi-solids, and sometimes even solids. They may be based on flavored water, for example, shaved ice, ice pops, sorbet, snow cones, etc. It can either be made with fruit purees such as a sorbet or on a milk and cream base. Most ice creams or custard, frozen custard, and some ice creams, okay, are also called as frozen desserts. Frozen desserts. According to the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, the definition of an ice cream, kulfi or softy ice cream, means that the product is obtained by freezing a pasteurized mix prepared from milk and or other products derived from milk, with or without the addition of nutritive sweetening agents, fruit and fruit products, eggs, etc. Frozen dessert means the product obtained by freezing a pasteurized mix prepared with milk, fat, and or edible vegetable oils and fat having a melting point of not more than 37 degrees centigrade in combination, and milk protein alone or in combination of vegetable protein products singly or in combination with the addition of nutritive sweetening agents. Types and classifications of frozen desserts. Ice cream and frozen desserts come in many flavors and types with numerous delicious choices, whether the flavor is vanilla, chocolate, cookie dough, or chocolate chip. Ice cream and its related products share certain basic characteristics that are often unknown or misunderstood by us. Classification of frozen desserts. Still frozen. Still frozen desserts are products that are not churned during the freezing process. Air is incorporated by whipping the base or folding in whipped ingredients. Examples of still frozen desserts: parfait glaze, souffle glaze, semifreddos. Churned frozen. Churned frozen desserts are desserts that are stirred as they freeze, constantly being churned or rotated. Churned frozen desserts are processed or frozen in an ice cream machine and include ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato, sorbet, and sherbet. Flavorings are added before freezing, but additional solid ingredients like nuts, fruits, or chocolate are usually added after processing. Forms or types of frozen desserts. Frozen desserts come in many forms. Each of the following type has its own definition, and many are standardized by federal regulations. For example, ice cream. Ice cream consists of a mixture of dairy ingredients such as milk, non-fat milk, and ingredients for sweetening and flavoring such as extracts, fruits, nuts, and chocolate chips. Functional ingredients such as stabilizers and emulsifiers are often included to promote proper texture and enhance the eating experience. By federal law, ice cream must contain at least 10% milk fat before the addition of bulky ingredients and must weigh a minimum of 4.5 pounds to the gallon. Frozen custard. Second one. Frozen custard or French ice cream. Frozen custard or French ice cream must also contain a minimum of 10% milk fat as well as at least 1.4% egg yolk solids. Sherbet. Sherbets have a milk fat content of between 1 and 2% and a slightly higher sweetener content than ice cream. Sherbet weighs a minimum of 6 pounds to the gallon and is flavored either with fruit or other similar ingredients. Gelato. Gelato has an intense flavor and is served in a semi-frozen state that is similar to soft serve ice cream. Italian style gelato is denser than ice cream since it has less air. Typically, gelato has more milk than cream, if any, and also contains sweeteners, egg yolks, and flavorings. Sorbet and water ices. Sorbet and water ices are similar to sherbet but contain no dairy ingredients. Quizzently frozen confection. A quizzently frozen confection is a frozen novelty such as a water ice, novelty on stick, popsicles. Example. Frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt consists of mixture of dairy ingredients such as milk and non-fat milk which have been cultured, as well as ingredients for sweetening and flavorings. Novelties. Novelties are separately packaged single servings of a frozen dessert. Example, ice cream sandwiches, fudge sticks and juice bars that may or may not contain dairy products. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant evening. I'll see you back in the next class. Thank you.